Hi, welcome to my channel. Today you will see how to crochet amazing cute heart. Also you will see how to join some beads to this heart. For work I will use beads, a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description. I will use 2mm crochet hook. Please join me. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the heart motif. I will begin from the chain, then chain of 3 more, 1, 2, 3. Well done. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. The base for the heart is ready. Next time I will show you how to crochet a trim. For my base, I will begin from this middle stitch, then I continue working in this direction, then continue working with the opposite side. Let's crochet the trim. Make a chain, then yarn over the hook like this. Make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Work with the opposite stitch. Turn the work. Work in this direction. Grab the yarn. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I stop at this point and let's look at my trim. I have done the middle part of my heart and now I'm working in backwards direction. I continue working on my motif. Make a chain, turn the work, make single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have done 10 stitches. Let's stop and look. My middle part of the heart is ready. Continue. Insert the hook into the working loop. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make single crochet. Insert the hook into the treble crochet, make single crochet. This is the chains. Make single crochet. Now I'm going to work on this part of my heart. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over the hook twice. And make 4 treble crochet. 1, 2, make the third one, and the fourth one. Well done. As you can see, it became bigger. I will pull it later. Make double crochet twice into the chain space or into the treble stitch. 1 and 2. Make half double crochet and single crochet. Well done. Insert the hook into the stitch that I did all stitches into. Make single crochet with picot. Chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. My picot is ready. The half of the heart is ready. Work with the opposite side. I continue working the same way as I did on the opposite side. Work in backwards direction. Make single crochet, then half double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 4 treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert the hook into the same chain space, make single crochet. I stop at this point. I straight up my middle part of the heart. Let's stop and look at my heart. Here how it looks. Here what I have. Let's look at the back side. There is no trims on the back side. I am folding my middle part. I continue working. I leave my working loop. They are stitches that I did on this chain space or treble crochet. There is the stitch that is before. I insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull it through like this, remove the hook. At this point I am joining a bead, take a bead, put it on the hook, Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain with bead. My chain with bead is ready. Here how it looks. My beauty is ready. Let's look at the back side. I stop at this point, and now I will show you what you can do. You can create the earring. I add some accessories for earring, and you can sew two pieces together. Here how it looks. In this case I used another kind of beads. You can use another kind of color of yarn, crochet hook, and also beads, or use the seed beads. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. You can add another accessories for jewelry, and it can be used like a brooch. In this case you should sew to the bottom part on the back side, like this. Please use your imagination and create your own project. And right now I continue working on my motif. Let's complete my segment. To create the chain, make a chain, pull up the working loop. You can make just simple chains, but I'm joining some beads in this case. Take a bead, put it on the hook, make a chain with bead, then chain more, pull up the working loop. If you have small hole in the bead, you can just change the hook to the smaller size. If your hook doesn't fit for your hole in the bead, please change it. As I did before in some project, I changed the hook, take a bead on the hook, then grab the yarn, pull it through, and change my hook again. So insert the hook into the bead, then insert the hook, then grab the working loop, pull it through like this, and change the hook again, as I told you before. You can use any size of beads. Make a chain, then chain more. Then I'm making some chains. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the chain stitch with bead. Make a slip stitch. I cut off my yarn. Let's stop and look what I have done. As you can see, I left a long piece of yarn. In this case, you can use sewing needle or crochet hook to remove long piece of yarn along the stitches. And right now insert the hook into the bead, grab the working yarn, pull it through, like this. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch, grab the working yarn, pull it through. Insert the hook into the bead, grab the working yarn, pull it through. You can use sewing needle or another accessories if you know the way. At this point I can cut off my yarn. And the second yarn was removed along the stitches using sewing needle. So that's it. My project is ready. Such kind of project will be perfect to create earring, pendant, or keychain, or another accessories for daily life. If you don't like beads and chains, you can just sew accessories to the main part of the heart and create your jewelry. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. And I remind you, all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. There are a lot of video tutorials on my YouTube channel, such as crochet baby shoes, crochet cord leaves or small motifs. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and bye!